Panicking because you accidentally deleted your Phantom wallet and think your Solana is gone forever? Don't sweat it. This quick guide will walk you through recovering your wallet and getting back to trading DeFi in no time. First, download the Phantom wallet extension on your browser or the app on your mobile device from the official Phantom website. Make sure you are downloading from a legitimate source to avoid scams. When prompted, select Restore Wallet or I already have a seed phrase. This is the most important step. Carefully enter your 12 or 24-word seed phrase, making absolutely sure there are no typos or incorrect spacing as it is case sensitive. Next, create a new, strong password for your restored Phantom wallet. This will be used to access your wallet daily. So make it secure and write it down in a safe place, separate from your seed phrase. And just like that, your Phantom wallet is restored. You should now see your Sol balance, tokens, and NFTs. Double check everything to ensure it's all there. Remember to always keep your seed phrase safe and never share it with anyone. Stay safe out there and happy trading.